Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I did my DIY fake nails for the low, how I do them for super cheap. So if you're interested, then keep watching. I'm starting off with clean hands. Yes, I have sausage fingers. There's no lotion or no oils on them. And then you're going to need a filer. Number one, this one is 100 grit. I bought this at Sally's for super cheap and it works really well. I highly recommend this. You're also going to need the nails. This brand, I'm not even going to try to pronounce because I will murder it, but I got it from Amazon. The shape is the coffin shape. I love these nails. They come with different sizes and they're super thin yet really strong. They work really nicely. I love these. I'm also going to use the Kiss glue. This glue works really well, super fast and super cheap. You can probably find this at a 99-cent store. The two nail polishes I'm using are these. You can use whatever you want. The OPI one I believe is Bear and Granite, and the white one I'm not even sure the name. Alongside that, I'm going to go ahead and use the OPI top coat and this SC Luxe Effects nail polish. This silver glittery nail polish, it's literally my favorite nail polish of life. It's so good. You're also going to need nail clippers, but if you don't have any nail clippers, don't worry. If you have scissors, that works just as good. Now this is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and put some rhinestones on one of my fingers, so you can use that. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some tweezers to apply that. Again, totally optional. You can just paint your nails like normal person, but me have to be so extra. Now I don't have a cuticle pusher, so I'm basically cleaning up my cuticles here and pushing them back. This is really important because you need your cuticles to be clean to apply these fake nails, so make sure you do that. Now here all I'm doing is filing the top of my nails. I want to say I'm hitting it like 10 times. That's just so the nails can stick better. And then you're going to go ahead and get your nails. They come in baggies, different sizes. Make sure you measure them to your nail and make sure that they're the right shape. So here my thumbs are more square at the bottom, so I'm filing it down, and this is also super important. Then I'm applying 2 drops of nail glue, not anything more. 2 is more than enough, and then I'm just holding it at this position for about 15 seconds. And then after I have all the nail glue on the nail, I push it down and apply pressure for another 15 seconds. And I feel like that works best. Now that you have all your nails on, you're going to want to clip them. I like to cut them right under where the little numbers are at the very end, which is the size of them. I'm just cutting them, but literally I feel like these shape of nails, you can cut them at any size. You can square them off. I like to keep them at the coffin shape, so all I'm doing is just clipping them. And then once you have all your nails clipped, you want to file them to the shape again. Of course, this is the part where you can either make them like clawed or you can square them off and keep them at that, you know, ballerina / coffin style. And then if your nails are a little bit wider, then go ahead and file the ends. Mine were, so I'm just filing them because then it's going to be really painful and it's not going to look cute. So you want to make sure that they fit your nail, and yeah, just file them down really good. Now that you have maybe the style you want, this is the style that I always go for. You can continue to file them however you want. Paint them beforehand. I personally like to paint my nails after because I file them, so I'm painting them now. But again, before you apply your nails, you can paint them if that's easier for you guys. But it's super easy to paint these fake nails, so that's all I'm doing is just painting them. Now I'm applying the Luxe Effects nail polish on the ring finger because I'm going to go ahead and layer it, so I do that one first. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a couple drops and then go ahead and brush them down because I like that style. It's super easy. This nail polish, I'm not kidding, it's literally so good. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. You're going to put a top coat on top of it and you're not even going to tell. And then again, I'm just repainting the nail finger, layering it up, and don't worry, it's not going to look clumpy or weird or anything. It layers so well and it's not bumpy or weird. Now you can just leave your nails like this and be done with it, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply rhinestones on my pointer finger, and all I'm doing is I'm putting the little rhinestones in some nail glue and then just putting them down on the nail. And again, don't worry if it looks a little bit weird at first, if it looks like there's a lot of glue, it will dry and it's gonna look fine, but at first it just looks a little bit weird. And that's pretty much all the ways that I do my nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful for someone. If it was, I'm so happy. Please make sure you give this a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys next time.